हाँ Amaha. So by saying the Barakhadi every day, you are actually opening up or energizing your chakras.
Yes. When I see the pulse, I know कि मुझे इसमें से हीट निकालना है, मुझे इसमें से कोल्ड निकालना है, या मुझे इसको बैलेंस करना है.
Before you see any problem with your physical body, the problem is seen in your energy body.
People find that okay, heart is the main organ, but for me, liver is the important one.
Okay.
Okay, because if the liver goes down, believe it, immunity goes down, everything goes haywire. In my 20 years careers, by God's grace, I have treated from the simple frozen shoulder to brain hemorrhage, even when the patient is on ventilator, was able to bring them back.
Acupuncture can also be used for cosmetic things.
Yes.
So if you start early, you don't need to go for surgical treatments much later in
Absolutely.
life. I'm going to stop you here because that means that we've been taught everything wrong. आपने बोला कि मीठा पहले खाना चाहिए, खाना खाने से पहले.
खाने के टाइम पे पानी नहीं पीने. कौन बोलता है कि कौन सा आयुर्वेदाचार्य टीवी पे आके बोला है कि पानी पीना नहीं है? When the person is about to die, ये जो बॉडी है ना, इसका assimilation starts happening कई hours पहले. Many times we find that people are much better before their death.
Yes.
We put needle, that time we understand how the needle goes in, that now it's time. In ICU, there was a monitor which was showing me everything. I put the needles, the heart rate is 250, 170, 200, again coming on 120, going to 250. The ICU in charge was standing like this. And my heart is saying, Aarti, you know na, if you go wrong, you are going to lose her. I just put it. They were doing their work, I was doing mine. And the heart rate shifted.
Welcome to a brand new episode of Soul Safar with Bhav. Today, we're exploring how our body, emotions, and even the planets are all eventually connected. Our guest, Aarti Oria, is an expert in acupuncture, Ayurveda, and medical astrology, and together we are decoding energy imbalances and how ancient wisdom can guide modern wellness. Get ready for practical tips and for a brand new way of listening to your body. Let's dive in. Aarti, welcome to Soul Safar with Bhav.
Thank you.
I am looking forward to this conversation just like I look forward to my visits to your clinic because I know that this is going to be informative. You're going to share a lot of knowledge, but at the same time, it's going to be a lot of fun. So, welcome to Soul Safar with Bhav.
Thank you so much, Bhav, for calling me here. I'm really grateful to you because I get a chance to speak about the energies because हम बोलते रहते हैं हाँ साउंड हीलिंग है, ये हीलिंग है, वो हीलिंग है, लेकिन किसका हीलिंग कर रहे हो और वो कैसे काम करने वाला है, जब तक हमको ये नहीं पता चलेगा we will just run here and there for no reason.
Correct.
Once that basic जो होता है ना प्लेटफॉर्म वो एक बार बन जाएगा, so then we know what to do with our own things.
Correct.
Because we are the healers of our own body.
I agree.
Right? Everybody can heal themselves. So let's start with it.
I'm so used to coming to your clinic and literally this is what I do. I go to her clinic and I say Aarti because she checks my pulse and tells me what's wrong with my liver or my stomach. So I want to start that right now. That's how I want to start our podcast. Aarti.
Thank you. So if you'll say heart, how's the Josh? Hi sir.
It is?
Yeah, liver is good. But थोड़ा सा tired pulse है, maybe as you said yesterday was shooting and therefore it may be.
Okay.
Other than that, first class you're rocking. Why I said liver is great. Because people find that okay, heart is the main organ, but for me liver is the important one.
Okay.
Okay, because liver is the one, if the liver goes down, believe it, immunity goes down, everything goes haywire.
Correct.
So it is not just the heart and brain, it is the liver needs to be taken care of first in any problem.
Correct.
It could be emotional or physical.
You know, Aarti, you practice acupuncture. you have studied Ayurveda, you have also studied medical astrology. So this episode, instead of focusing on one thing, in my mind, we are speaking about the intelligence of energy. What do you have to say about that?
Krishna says that earth, water, fire, air and ether, these are my gross energies, and mind, intelligence and false ego, these are my subtle energies. Okay, so this whole universe is made up of these 5 elements only. You will find it like, you know, the human body also. Therefore हम बोलते हैं ना कि पंच तत्वों से बना हुआ शरीर. What does that mean? It means that every organ of our body is representing that particular tattva.
Correct.
Okay, and this is the gross, what we see. But there is a subtle also, these energies are working. You will say how? So you see the brain and the mind, right? Brain does that which the mind says.
Correct.
So mind is a subtle force, software of that brain.
Correct.
ब्रेन ग्रॉस है, माइंड को ढूंढ सकते हो, इंटेलिजेंस को ढूंढ सकते हो? नहीं, वो सटल है. वैसे ही जैसे आप मिर्ची खा रहे हैं, राइट? मिर्ची दिखने में कैसी दिखती है? उसको देख के लगता है कि ये तो तीखा रहेगा. नहीं लगता है ना. किसी को पता नहीं होगा ये मिर्ची है तो वो तो खा जाए.
करेक्ट.
बट उसका सटल स्वभाव क्या है? तीखा, गुणधर्म, राइट? दैट इज द सटल एनर्जी विच वी फील. सो वैसे ही आप ये जो सब देखते हो तामझाम, ये तो सिर्फ एक मॉनिटर है जिसके ऊपर सब आपको दिखाई देता है, हार्डवेयर. बट इसको चलाने वाला वो सॉफ्टवेयर है, दैट एनर्जी वर्ल्ड विच इज रूलिंग. जब उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम होता है तब वो हर तरफ मैनिफेस्ट करता है. इट कुड बी ऑन द ह्यूमन बॉडी, इट कुड बी ऑन द एनिमल, इट कुड बी इन द एनवायरमेंट.
राइट.
सो द सेम एनर्जी वी कैन नॉट डिस्ट्रॉय और क्रिएट. What we can do is we can transform.
Correct.
So it could be acupuncture, Ayurveda, or homeopathy, or Unani, right? Or in any other pathy you say, like, you know, Reiki bhi ho gaya, pranic healing bhi ho gaya, sound therapy ho gaya, you name it. On what they work is that correcting that balance in that energy body. अगर वो perfect है तो ये जो monitor है ये screen perfect दिखेगा. राइट? अगर उधर प्रॉब्लम है तो सब प्रॉब्लम है.
करेक्ट.
सो ये पूरा खेल एनर्जी का है.
लेट्स टॉक अबाउट acupuncture, because now acupuncture is actually, from what I understand through my conversations with you, it's about correcting your energies only, the flow of energy. For somebody who does not understand acupuncture, how would you simply explain that to them? How does acupuncture work?
The principle is that body ka each organ is representing different energy. Like the liver is wind, spleen, stomach is earth, kidney is water, heart is fire.
Right.
After you eating food, there is 2 types of digestion. One is gross, one is subtle. ग्रॉस तो आपको साइंस के बुक में स्कूल में भी पढ़ने के लिए मिलता है. द किड्स ऑल्सो विल टेल यू हाउ द इट्स ब्रेक्स डाउन एंड यू नो. ये सब कुछ होने के बाद में जो सूक्ष्म पचन जिसको कहते हैं, राइट, माइक्रो लेवल पे, वो क्या होता है कि उसके अंदर का जो नरिशमेंट है वो सारे ऑर्गन्स के पास भेजना है ना. तो वैसे ही पाथवेज है जहाँ से कि डिफरेंट एनर्जीज जाते हैं. यही 5 एलिमेंट्स, हम इनको स्त्रोतस भी कहते हैं आयुर्वेद में. दिस इज नॉट समथिंग डिफरेंट. मेरिडियंस जिसको हम एक्यूपंक्चर में कहते हैं, सेम, दीज आर मेरिडियंस आर द पाथवेज.
राइट.
तो जब इन पाथवेज, थ्रू दैट पाथवेज, द लिवर विल पिक अप इट्स एनर्जी, द हार्ट विल पिक अप, ब्रेन विल पिक अप, राइट, द एनर्जी विल गेट नरिश्ड.
राइट.
अब जब इन पाथवेज के अंदर प्रॉब्लम आ जाता है, कोई ब्लॉकेज आ जाता है, या समझो कि थोड़ी एनर्जी उसके अंदर दूसरी कोई आ जाती है. इट्स लाइक सपोज द पीपल हु आर ईटिंग वेरी पंजेंट फूड, सब तरफ हीट ही हीट फैलेगा ना. सो ऑल द ऑर्गन्स विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग हीट इंस्टेड ऑफ, बिकॉज समान से समान की वृद्धि होगी.
Right.
यानी कि आप जो खाओगे उससे सेम गुणधर्म बढ़ेंगे.
Correct.
और विरुद्ध से रास होगा. रास होगा माने खत्म होगा, वो एनर्जी खत्म होगी. सो जब ये प्रॉब्लम्स आती है, जब वहाँ पर कोई प्रॉब्लम आता है, तो वो सटल बॉडी के अंदर एक इम्बैलेंस क्रिएट होता है. अब वो कहाँ पे शो करेगा? हमारे फिजिकल बॉडी पर. as a symptom.
Right.
It is saying, it's giving you the hint कि बॉस कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा, वो एनर्जी बॉडी में वहाँ पे लफड़ा हो रहा है, इसको ठीक करो.
Correct.
ठीक है ना. पर हम क्या करते हैं, उस सिम्टम्स को एक ग्रुप बना के डिजीज का नाम देते हैं. तो वो डिजीज इज व्हाट, सिम्टम ऑफ टेलिंग यू, इन्फॉर्मिंग यू कि there is a problem which needs attention.
There is some problem in your energy body that needs attention.
So through acupuncture, when I checked the pulse, as I saw yours, and I said ki okay, we need to still work on the stomach meridian, stomach
Right.
energy, and thoda bahut liver ke upar, right? So I will put needles accordingly, and that will take care, it will balance the energy. Look at it, how you're feeling, how is it?
Yeah, that was my look.
That's why I
happening?
stopped.
Yeah.
That's why I said wow.
How does it balance?
Perfect. When I see the pulse, I know कि मुझे इसमें से हीट निकालना है, मुझे इसमें से कोल्ड निकालना है, या मुझे इसको बैलेंस करना है.
Right.
आपने खेत देखा है? हाँ. खेत में देखो, पानी जब छोड़ते हैं तो कहीं पे हम पानी को रोकने के लिए वहाँ पर उसको ऐसे रोका जाता है.
Right.
कहीं पर से फ्लो बढ़ाया जाता है,
कहीं रीडायरेक्ट किया जाता है.
हाँ, रीडायरेक्ट किया जाता है. सेम हम करते हैं इन एक्यूपंक्चर में. We just feed the proper information, but after checking pulse, I should be knowing what am I doing.
Right.
So after seeing it, I put the needles and I just helps the brain कि you need to this, and he said okay, इतना ही करना है.
So
और तुरंत कर लेता है.
redirecting the energy.
Yeah.
Basically, what I'm understanding is, and correct me if I'm wrong, before you see any problem with your physical body, the problem is seen in your energy body.
Yes.
So you are actually diagnosing when you tell me that my stomach still needs help. That means that you're checking my energy body and
Yes.
telling me that okay, if this is not corrected right now, 6 months down the line or 1 year down the line, you could have an ailment or a
Yes.
disease
Yes.
connected
Yes.
to the stomach.
Yes, especially I see it in the liver, heart and in the brain. Before the heart attack, वो heart attack ऐसे ही नहीं आता है. There are 3-4 stages of it, right? 3
Right.
stages basically. So maybe the person won't come to know, but I know which stage it is and when it is going to just manifest on the physical level.
Right.
So before it could manifest, we can balance it because ये तो still अपने हाथ में, and we can correct it through the diet, through the exercise, through the breathing work, and with the acupuncture, definitely with the acupuncture.
You know, I also remember that when Niranjan, a very close friend of mine, came to you during COVID, you checked his pulse and you said, there's something wrong with your pulse. I have a feeling that you will contract COVID. And
Yeah.
I think a week later, he was diagnosed as COVID positive. Like, tab tak to there was not even a possibility in his head. And because you said it, he went and did a test about 2-3 days later and he figured out that he had COVID. So it's amazing how the disease shows in your energy before the physical picks it up.
Here I want to mention something which is, I don't know how you will react to it, but बहुत बार इनिशियली ऐसे होता था. नाउ तो आई अंडरस्टूड बिकॉज दीज आर थिंग्स यू कम टू नो बाय एक्सपीरियंस. व्हेन द पर्सन इज अबाउट टू डाई, ये जो बॉडी है ना, इसका assimilation starts happening कई आवर्स पहले.
When you say assimilation mean?
माने तत्वों में, एक तत्व में दूसरा तत्व मिक्स होने लगता है, एंड
Oh.
देन इट गेट्स डिस्ट्रॉयड. फ्रॉम द पृथ्वी टू जल, जल टू अग्नि, अग्नि टू वायु, वायु टू आकाश, आकाश टू अहंकार, अहंकार टू महत
Right.
तत्व. वैसे वो पूरा खत्म हो जाता है. तो वो जो प्रोसेस होता है ना, वो स्टार्ट हो जाता है. और हम बोलते हैं अरे लोग तो बड़े, ये तो इंसान अच्छा दिख रहा है. वी सी दैट द पीपल आर स्पीकिंग वेरी गुड बिकॉज दैट एवरीथिंग गेट्स चार्ज. So many times we find that people are much better
Yes.
before their death.
Yes, I was just
And
going to mention
when
that.
we put needle, that time we understand how the needle goes in, that now it's time and now I am not
There's
here.
nothing you can do.
Nothing. But can't speak because it's not a right thing to do.
Correct.
So this also you can understand.
We are speaking, of course, about the physical symptoms, but can acupuncture be used to release any emotional stress or trauma that's stored in the body, which is completely emotional?
Of course, yes. Because आपने वो सुना होगा ना कि बहुत सारा वो रिसर्च हो चुका है उस पर कि आप पानी के ऊपर बहुत अच्छे अच्छे एफर्मेशंस करो तो उसका बहुत अच्छा क्रिस्टल्स बनता है. दैट अगर आप उसको कुछ बुरा बोलोगे तो
like Dr. Masaru Emoto's experiment.
हाँ. So our body has 80% water, boss.
Right.
How we are being treated, how we treat others, what do you speak,
right,
what you hear, with whom you associate with.
Right.
Definitely this all has sanskar on our own body.
Right.
Right. तो इसके वजह से होता क्या है कि अलग अलग एनर्जीज लाइक एज यू सेड इमोशनल ट्रॉमा भी अलग अलग एनर्जीज में आप डिवाइड कर सकते हो. लाइक एंजाइटी को भी आप अलग अलग डिवाइड कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप किसी को देखोगे वो बंदा है ना आपको कुछ ना कुछ करते हुए देखेगा, उसको बोलो आप एक जगह पे बैठ ही नहीं सकता है वो. लाइक वो एक सोचने जाएगा वो 10 पे पहुंचेगा. कुछ अलग एनर्जी है.
Right.
कुछ लोग होंगे उसको बोलेंगे देख 30 अप्रैल तक मुझे काम करके चाहिए, बोलेगा नहीं 24 को मैं आपके हाथ में दूंगा. अरे भाई देखो किसने बोला ही नहीं है 30 को दे. नो, माई टारगेट इज 24. अब दैट एंजाइटी टू फिनिश द वर्क बिफोर हैंड, some energy is different.
Yeah, also
right?
Some people say that I work best under stress.
Yeah,
they are creating the stress for
creating the
themselves.
stress. So the anxiety is different and the energy is different.
Correct.
But it is what? Energy. The trauma gets stored. Nowadays we hear about कि अरे embryo में ही जो the गर्भधारणा के समय या when we were in the womb, that time the trauma. Yes, why not? Because whatever the mother has been treated or whatever she is doing, the child in the womb hears.
Right.
Or feels the same what the mother is feeling.
Right.
Right?
It's the same story of Arjun and Chakravyuh, right?
Yeah.
That was the exact same story that I'm
Yes.
thinking of while you're saying
Yes.
this.
Yes. और वो रह गया सिखाना कि बाहर कैसे आना है. तो
क्योंकि वो सो गई थी जब वो बोल रहे थे कि
narrate कर
चक्रव्यूह
रहे
कैसे
थे. Yes.
तोड़ते हैं.
Yes. भाव हियर I want to speak something which very बहुत टाइम से मेरे दिल में वो एक ऐसे तुम उसको एक फायर बोलो कि पूरा इंस्टा फेसबुक चेंजेस आर लाइक दिस, चेंजेस आर लाइक दिस. बस उनको क्या बोल रहे हो? तुमने किया है उनको ऐसे. उनका प्रॉब्लम नहीं है वो पैदा हुए हैं बाय एक्सीडेंट. हाँ.
What do you mean by accident?
अरे देखो तुम कार खरीदते हो तो तुम दिन देखते हो. हाँ, यू गो टू एस्ट्रोलॉजर, यू से कौन सा अच्छा दिन है, कब कार खरीदूं, कौन सा नंबर लूं मैं विच विल बी गुड फॉर मी.
करेक्ट.
तुम कार खरीदने के वक्त इतना कुछ सोचते हो और बच्चे को यूनिवर्स में लाने के वक्त कुछ भी नहीं सोचते हो. हाउ मेनी केसेस आर देयर विच आर लाइक दे हैव एंजॉयड इन द पार्टी पूरा हाई होके और फिर बच्चा पैदा हो गया, एक्सीडेंट हो गया, बच्चा पैदा. जब एक गर्भधारणा होती है, गर्भधारणा से पहले you were supposed to pray to the universe. You were supposed to see the days. Why you have to see the days? The position of the moon. Because moon is related to your mind.
Right.
Mind should be stable, na? You
Right.
want to bring the child in this universe. How is the mind of the father and the mother? Are they very eager? They are happy that yes, we want a child, God, and we want something good.
Right.
Right? Every month उस बच्चे का एक मंथ में बोन डेवलप होगा, एक मंथ में मसल्स आएंगे, स्किन, ब्रेन, हार्ट. एंड व्हेन दिस एवरीथिंग वाज गेटिंग क्रिएटेड, हैव वी रियली गिवन देम द बेस्ट व्हाट वी वर सपोज्ड टू बी गिविंग? नो. They were getting scared inside, they were insecurities, they were like, few were saying अरे बच्चा नहीं चाहिए था, अभी आ गया है तो रख लेते. वो डिनाइल कहाँ लेकर जाएंगे वो? So they are what we made them. Now these same emotions have got stuck in the brain. As you crystallize water, you said, na? We were discussing.
Yeah.
The same way that imprints just stayed back. So that was in the womb. Plus our own problems, relationships hoga ya traumas hoga, losing someone or being treated badly. These all things, some or the other, are creating that blockages or they affect the mind and that energy stays back. And mind का एक ना बहुत ब्यूटीफुल चीज़ है, उसको थोड़ा ऐसे नहीं होता है हम कश्मीर चले गए और 4-5 दिन के बाद भी फिर अरे मैं तो कश्मीर में रह सकता हूँ क्योंकि माइंड ने सोच लिया कि मुझे कश्मीर में रहना है. 3 दिन बाद वो एकदम कंफर्टेबल हो जाता है कश्मीर में. दिस इज माइंड. तो जब कोई ट्रॉमा टेक्स प्लेस, एंड माइंड बोलता है अच्छा नाउ आई हैव टू डिटैच विद द पीपल, दे डू लाइक दिस, बोलते हाँ हाँ परफेक्ट है, डिटैच रहते हैं. एंड दैट इमोशन स्टेज बैक, लाइक सैडनेस होगा या एक ही चीज़ पर सोचना होगा, वो एक ही चीज़ सोचता रहेगा, उसको बोल दो ये करना है, वो सोचते रहेगा. No, seriously,
Right.
you look at your mind,
Yeah,
how
yeah.
it is. Like he's our best friend, and at the same time, the enemy also.
Yeah.
Enemy in the sense because he rules us. We give that command, you know. हम कुत्ते को घुमाने लेके जाते हैं, समझ में नहीं आता है कभी कभी कि कुत्ता हमको घुमा रहा है, हम कुत्ते को. So mind कभी कभी वो करता है, he's our friend. वो कब? When we understand what to give mind to play with. But हम वो नहीं कर पाते because it's an energy.
Right.
जैसे कि जॉय एक फायर है, तो वैसे ही एक इमोशनल ट्रॉमा या शॉक could be the freezing water. Okay, so my duty is when I see the pulse, I know what is going wrong, which energy has got stuck in the brain or in the mind.
Right.
I have to just release it. I have to say, hey boss, ये नहीं है तेरा, इसको हकाल और इसको रख यहाँ पे, ट्रांसफॉर्म करिए एनर्जी को. Because he says, अरे इतना ही था, okay, done, and you feel better. That's why after putting needle, people say, hey, it's a magic, you're a magician. I am not the magician. The energy, that supreme is a magician.
Right.
My work is I am just a medium to put the needle perfect, and I'm glad that he chooses me.
For any sort of emotional imbalance, how long does it take to see a substantial change?
It's like when I put needles, before putting needles, the pulse, and after putting needles, the pulse changes.
Okay.
So I know that I am on the right path.
Right.
I always say that if you find that 10% result, you remember that 90% also we will get it because we are on the right path.
Right.
So you start seeing result maybe maximum in 3 sessions, not
Right.
more than that. Actually the first session itself, but I don't want to be overconfident and say so that I थोड़ा अपने पास time लेती हूँ मैं ऐसे 3 session में हो जाएगा, but I know कि first session में 5%, next day I call them up or send them the message, hello, how was your sleep?
Yeah.
You were good? How is the morning? Good?
Yeah.
So when they say हाँ थोड़ा ठीक है, I said bas, this is what we want.
Correct.
If you have seen this, that means that 90% also we will achieve.
Correct. Also, most people, I think, associate acupuncture with pain relief. But I know that there are much bigger things than acupuncture can also address. What are some of them?
See, people do, that is what we call it as local acupuncture, right? Where आपने needle लगाया, blood circulation takes place, stiffness चला गया, ये general चीज़ें हैं, that is local acupuncture. But in my 20 years careers, by God's grace, I have treated from the simple frozen shoulder to brain hemorrhage by God's grace successfully. Deep vein thrombosis,
Wow.
also treated heart conditions. Even when the patient is on ventilator, was able to bring them back.
And I also want to tell people that acupuncture can also be used for cosmetic things. I know that I've come to you saying, Aarti, my brow is dropping a little bit, and then you put the needles, and then cosmetically you can correct it. And I remember you told me that it creates collagen naturally in the body.
Yes.
So if you start early, you don't need to go for surgical treatments much later in life.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
acupuncture also helps correct
Yes,
that.
yes, it does helps. And what happens is it gives you a natural lift. Because
Right.
as I said, na, mind को पता है, brain को पता है उसका original क्या था.
Correct.
So when it produces, वो आपको naturally, I can't give the people what they were not.
Right.
You know, I can just give them like how they were before 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. I can give them, that work is mine.
Right.
It's not about others.
Right.
It's about when I look myself into the mirror, I look good. I said, I'm confident.
I'm happy.
I'm happy. अपने लिए करो.
You're also somebody that I recognize is as a khazana of stories. And of course, with acupuncture, you have told me many success stories that made me feel like, oh my God, how did you do something like this? And I'd love for you to share some of them with our audience.
Just few years back before COVID, when my mom was admitted again, and that time when I had checked the pulse, I thought, now she's going. Now I can't save her. And definitely माँ है तो बहुत ही emotional हो गई मैं. So one of my friends, Shravani, called me and I told her, I think Amma is going. She said, you have saved so many people and you are saying like this, go and save her. So the dean was her friend. So he came to meet me and I said, sir, I don't mind that you do dialysis, but I want to do acupuncture to her. So he said, okay, see to it that the major cardiac arrest should not come.
He said, make sure a cardiac arrest doesn't come. So while dialysis, there is
yes,
a possibility.
Possibility was there
Right.
for her. So now it was in the 2 phases. First phase started. Generally what happens, Bhav, that whatever I do treatment, I check the pulse again and I come to know that the energy is, okay, pulse वापस आ गया है, तो मेरा काम हो गया है. Now the person will be fine. So I also don't understand actually what is taking place.
Correct.
But in ICU there was a monitor which was showing me everything.
Right.
So here now when I treat her in her first phase, so they gave her injection, I did needling, and the heart rate came back. And I also again, that little ego of mine, like I said, wow. So I told the nurse magic. She said, yeah. That was okay. But when the second phase started, and the heart rate from the 100 to it was jumping to 250. Like, as usual, I thought I'll be able to control it. I was putting needles. I put the needles. The heart rate is 250, 170, 200, again coming on 120, going to 250. The ICU in charge was standing like this. She said, I am also watching what is happening. That was the dance of that energy. Wow. That was the dance of the energy which we speak about. I checked her pulse again. So there is an energy which we generally don't sedate. We don't remove that from the heart. In my 20 years, nearly maybe 5 या 6 बार मैंने उसको use किया होगा. I mean, so rarely we sedate. That is what I want to tell you. And it was like a crucial time. Seconds का खेल था. I am seeing it is the same energy. And my heart is saying, Aarti, you know na, if you go wrong, you are going to lose her.
In that moment.
In that moment. Again I saw it and I said, Aarti, this is the one, go for it. I can't tell you that what I felt that time while putting that needle. I just put it. They were doing their work. I was doing mine. And the heart rate shifted, khadak, 100. And I was like, उस दिन मैं उनके सामने हार गई और जीत गई. Very recently I came to know that in the Swiss border there is a most biggest physics lab and they have Nataraj outside. Why? Because they feel that every atom, the creation, the annihilation and the transformation, they are mirroring to dance of Nataraj.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Now that we've spoken about acupuncture, I want to venture into another territory that you're very, very good at, Ayurveda. To simply explain to someone what is a dosha in our body and how many different doshas do we have?
You know, there is Vata, Pitta and Kapha. At the starting of this episode, we discussed about the 5 elements.
Right?
So, Vata is nothing else but wind plus ether, Akash Tattva.
Okay.
Pitta is water plus heat. And Kapha is earth plus water.
Okay.
So, again, Ayurveda is also working on these 5 elements only.
Right.
व्यक्ति तित्या प्रकृति, यानी कि जैसा अलग अलग लोग होते हैं उनकी प्रकृति भी अलग अलग होगी. तो किसी में विंड एक्सेस होता है, किसी में आकाश तत्व का एक्सेस होता है, किसी में हीट ज़्यादा होती है. फायर.
This is from birth?
From birth. They are
from
born
birth.
with it.
You are born with it.
Yeah, you are born with it. Originally, that is what we are born with. It doesn't change.
Right.
But at the end of the life, it goes on increasing. That tattva goes on increasing. कोई वात प्रकृति का होगा तो उसको आर्थराइटिस हो जाएगा, वो लेकिन उसके बोन्स का ही प्रॉब्लम होता दिखाई देगा. कोई कफ है तो उसको आप देखोगे कि ऐसे लगे कि उसके में कफ या तो वो बहुत मोटा होगा या कफ प्रधान जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उसको वो सारे प्रॉब्लम्स हो गए. या तो बहुत सारे लोगों को आप देखोगे इतना बुढ़ापे में इतना कफ हो जाता है एज इफ इट इज़ गेटिंग मैन्युफैक्चर. यू विल कहाँ से आ रहा है इतना कफ, कुछ भी तो नहीं कर रहे हैं. So these are called as doshas in the body. And when a person comes to us, or goes to the Ayurveda, any Ayurvedacharya with any kind of a problem, even if for the digestion or simple acidity होए या simple थकान होए, for that also when the person goes to Ayurvedacharya, he sees the pulse and he says that हाँ क्या बीमारी है, हाँ ओके, उसको उस बीमारी से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है उसको, because those are the symptoms ना, that's what we discussed.
Correct.
Those are the symptoms. What we need to balance is this vata pitta kapha only.
Right. So you've told me about vata and kapha. If somebody is of pitta prakriti, what will manifest in their body?
It will be heat excess, हाइपर एसिडिटी. बहुत कम लोगों में होता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा हीट, अल्सर्स, ये सारी अलग अलग चीज़ें हैं जहाँ पर हीट प्रोमिनेंट दिखेगा. इन द आइज ऑल्सो. पित्त भी पूरे शरीर में सब तरफ है. जो तेज है, जो हम देख पाते हैं, दैट इज पित्त. कफ इज देयर, घुटने में भी कफ है, इसलिए तो उसका मूवमेंट है. राइट. तो वात पित्त कफ अलग अलग कहीं नहीं है, सब तरफ है, पूरी बॉडी में है.
राइट.
लेकिन कुछ चीजें जहाँ पर के वो उसका एक प्राधान्य है, उसका कंट्रोल है कुछ ऑर्गन्स पे.
सो बेसिकली व्हाट यू आर टेलिंग मी इज इफ आई अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दोषा आई एम born with, I can actually change a lot of things in my life.
Yes.
In terms of also avoiding certain or mitigating, let's not say avoiding, mitigating certain diseases that could manifest in my body.
Yes.
That's
yes,
correct?
Yes. समान से समान की वृद्धि होती है और विरुद्ध से ह्रास. सो अगर कोई वात प्रधान इंसान है, उसको वैसी ही चीज़ें खानी पसंद होंगी.
राइट.
यू नो, वो बोलेगा हाँ मुझे चना खिलाओ, ये खिलाओ, लाइक जो जिसमें के गैस ज़्यादा बनेगा.
करेक्ट.
बिकॉज उसका चॉइस वो है. सिमिलर चीज़ को अट्रैक्ट करेगी. एक कफ प्रधान को वो बोलेगा मुझे स्वीट बड़ा अच्छा लगता है यार, खिलाओ.
राइट.
जबकि उसको पता है कि उसको स्वीट्स नहीं खाना है. बिकॉज एक लेवल तक जब बच्चा है तो वो सारी एनर्जी यूटिलाइज होती है उसको बनाने में, बड़ा बनाने में. राइट. तो तभी कोई ज़्यादा इशू नहीं होता है. बट जैसे ही हम 40s तक 30-40 तक आ जाते हैं, जहाँ पर कि हम स्टेबल हो जाते हैं, फिर हमारे बॉडी का कुछ दैट्स अ टाइम व्हेन वी आर जस्ट लाइक दिस एंड आफ्टर दैट वी गो लाइक दिस. राइट. सो दैट टाइम वी नीड टू बैलेंस इट.
Right.
Then we have to start following actually तो our dinacharya, ऋतुचर्या, seasonal diet and daily diet routines are there, which we need to follow from the beginning. But nevertheless कहीं पर तो हमें start करना ही पड़ेगा to maintain our own body and our emotionally also and physically also.
Right. What I'm also understanding, Aarti, is there was a lot of intelligence and knowledge with which our ancestors conducted their life. The way they would eat food,
Yes.
what they would eat, when they would eat, even things that they would follow in terms of practices. But now with the modern lifestyle, we've all been thrown imbalance because all of that has changed. What can we do today to balance some of the doshas that have been imbalanced due to our modern lifestyle and limited understanding?
See, not that for everything we have to go to the doctor and see it. पहले एक ना बुक होते थे छोटे जिसके अंदर हम कहते थे घरचा वैद्य, यानी घर का डॉक्टर.
करेक्ट.
Right?
घर के नुस्खे कह लो, बिकॉज सब कुछ तो किचन में है. जब बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है तब बात करो. आपको पता है कि जब ठंडी के बाद में कफ बढ़ा है, कफ बढ़ने के बाद हमको निकालना कैसे है? कफ कहाँ है? यहाँ पर. राइट. पित्त यहाँ और वात उससे भी नीचे. सब कफ को निकालने के लिए वमन करना है. मतलब?
जब वमन माने उल्टी करनी है, बिकॉज कफ विल कम आउट. राइट. तो आप जब भी आपको लगता है कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा कफ हो गया है, वाई नॉट टू टेक 2-3 ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, प्लेन वाटर. आई एम नॉट सेइंग नमक डाला हुआ पानी, प्लेन वाटर. 3 लो 4 लो, जितना आपको पी सकते हैं. गट गट करके पी जाओ, सिप नहीं, फटाफट पी जाओ. जब तक होल्ड कर सकते हो कर लो. उंगली डालो, लेफ्ट हैंड को पेट पर रखो, फेंको पूरा कफ. खत्म हो गया. कफ एक्सेस था, कफ निकाला. सो एवरी सीजन टीचेस यू दैट. अब जब विंड बढ़ जाता है, जब जैसे जून जुलाई में विंड बढ़ने लगेगा, टेक बस्ती. बस्ती इज एनिमा, ऑयल एनिमा. या तो उस समय 1 स्पून आप तिल ऑयल पी लो,
तो उससे क्या होगा?
रोज. तो उससे इंटेस्टाइन में जो विंड है वो अपने आप निकल जाएगा. These are simple things, One
Simple
has
for
to.
you. For me, it's like new information.
But yeah, somebody has to give it. Na?
Correct.
People want to hear what WhatsApp is saying. अरे ये है वो है, हम तो पंचकर्मा के लिए एक ही बार चले जाओगे, उससे क्या होगा? सीजन तो हमेशा चेंज हो रहा है ना.
Correct.
उसका क्या करोगे? तो सीखो. People are saying, अरे पानी पीना ही नहीं है, या तो हैव प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर. किसने बोला? वो ज़्यादा पानी पीने से भी गैस बढ़ता है, उसका क्या करते हो? पानी पीने का ही नहीं. आई डोंट वांट वाटर. खाने के टाइम पे पानी नहीं पीने. कौन बोलता है? कि कौन सा आयुर्वेदाचार्य टीवी पे आके बोला है कि पानी पीना नहीं है?
So it's not wrong to have water with.
No, you are supposed to be sipping the water because it will as you change the taste. एक अगर समझो कि आप सूप पी रहे थे और उस पे से अब आप खाने पर जा रहे हो, या तो आपने मीठा खाया है और आप एक टेस्ट चेंज कर रहे हो बिकॉज यू आर सपोज टू बी ईटिंग स्वीट बिफोर, बिकॉज जठराग्नि पावरफुल है तो वो डाइजेस्ट कर लेगा. अब मुझे दूसरा कुछ खाना है, ठीक है, तो एक टेस्ट चेंज करना है मुझे. सो आई विल सिप one sip of water and that will add as a fuel.
One second. Sorry, I'm going to stop you here because that means that we've been taught everything wrong. Dessert is not supposed to be had at the end. आपने बोला कि मीठा पहले खाना चाहिए, खाना खाने से पहले.
Yeah.
What goes wrong if you eat dessert after food?
जठराग्नि इज प्रज्वलित, राइट, डाइजेस्टिव फायर.
Correct.
फायर जब बहुत फुल फॉर्म में होता है तुम उसमें डालो, वो फटाक से जो पहला डालोगे उसको डाइजेस्ट कर लेगा.
Correct.
स्वीट इज हेवी,
Correct.
इसलिए तुमने उसको डाइजेस्ट कर दिया. अब धीरे धीरे आप हल्का डाल रहे हो उसके ऊपर, लेकिन पूरा खाना आपका खा के हो गया है, उसके ऊपर आपने हेवी डाल दिया.
So it will just sit there.
या सिंपल है. सी यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट. ऐसे ही समझना है हमने एनर्जीज को.
And you were also explaining, so basically मैंने स्वीट खाया,
हाँ.
उसके बाद मुझे एक सिप पानी पीना है.
हाँ, स्वीट खाओ या कुछ भी खाओ.
हाँ, मतलब sorry,
इट इज जस्ट लाइक
the
when you are
taste is
switching.
changing. Correct. This is what I want from you, Aarti. If you can share with our audience one or two of these, you're busting a misconception कि खाना खाने के बाद ही आपको डिजर्ट खाना है. अगर आप मुझे एक दो और ऐसे एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हो.
पानी का दिया.
पानी का. What else can our audience do to change or to bust a misconception so that their physical well-being is optimum?
जब आप स्कूल में थे अपने 12 खड़ी बोली थी,
हाँ.
आ ई ई
हाँ.
उ उ ए आई ओ औ
हाँ, अम्मा, हाँ.
अब मैजिक देखिए क्या था कि रोज़ घर में शाम में शुभंकर होती बोलना है. उसके बाद में पाढ़े, टेबल्स, और ये भी बोलना है साथ में, सवेरे में एक बार, शाम में एक बार. ये बोलने से क्या होता है? So
बचपन में मुझे टेंशन होता था, अब पता नहीं क्या होता.
so our chakras, right? Chakras are the storehouse.
Correct.
Which has all the energy they keep and then it goes to your, you know it, right?
Yeah.
So अब in chakra, every chakra has petals.
Right.
ये फूल है, एक कमल का फूल है, उसके अंदर petals है. ये सारे अल्फाबेट्स उसके ऊपर है.
Okay.
Even the heart, different alphabets are there. Those different petals are controlling the heart as well. The complete heart is not controlled by only the anahata. There are उसके branches होते हैं ना.
Correct.
वैसे.
Correct.
Right? और उनके ये alphabets हैं. तो जब आप बोलते हो का का की कु कु के कई को कौ कम का, what you are doing is you are energizing that chakra, that each branch of your chakras are getting energized. You
So
are
by saying the 12 khadi every day, the a e e, you are actually opening up or energizing your chakras.
Yes. पहले के बच्चों को देखो, कौन इतना बीमार गिरता था जितने अभी के बच्चे गिरते हैं. Because chakras were developing very beautifully. I had one seminar, in one of the very big company, and वहाँ पर मैंने ये किया था, because generally, they have different dance करेंगे, ये करेंगे, because that is expression. I told them, I said, चलो let's recite 12 खड़ी. तो एक ने बोला, it was fun also. K K K G G D, da da di di do do. So it makes you laugh also. If you see when you are singing 12 khadi, it makes you laugh also, okay? But the energy changed, and they said we are feeling different. We are feeling nice.
Right.
ये ऐसे ही थोड़ी बनाया है.
This 12 khadi that you said, how many times should one say this in a day to see effects? Or you just say it once?
एक बार करके देख लो, हर इंसान के लिए मेडिसिन का एक होता है प्रमाण,
Dosage.
doses are different for different
Correct.
people.
Correct.
So that can be adjusted
Okay.
according to
So
our
you
own
start
test.
with
We
at
are
least
free will.
once. So you start with at least once,
Yeah.
and then you see where it goes and how it's affecting you.
Yeah. We are neither beggars nor the losers. We are the choosers. Choose it wisely.
Correct. As a last question, I know, because every time somebody tells me that they are going through a medical problem, I tell them, why don't you go to Aarti? Please go to Aarti. Acupuncture will help you. Most of the times when people say no, it's because they are scared of needles. And that's why they don't want to come to an acupuncturist, even after knowing that it will help them.
Yeah.
What would you like to say to people like these who are scared of needles?
See, the needles are very tiny. They don't even pain how much the mosquito bite is.
Right.
तो इतना तो पेन हम ले ही सकते हैं.
No pain, no gain.
No pain, no gain. I feel everybody has enough in their life they have gone through. इतने से पेन से क्या डरना? If it is going to benefit you, then it's okay. We do so many things na against our will to keep us happy.
Right.
It is just the awareness. And I'm thankful that today I got a chance to speak about this. What our idea, see, you have made this series. What your endeavor is to make people aware of these modalities, how they can use it.
Correct.
And I thought that somewhere or the other maybe I can add a little bit mere paas ka,
Please
to
don't
make
be so
them
humble.
aware.
You have added more than little bit. You've added a full cup of
No,
sugar.
I mean it. Like,
No,
this was like हम दोनों का यही एक हेतु है इसमें का
Correct.
कि लोग इसमें से कुछ सीखे.
From today's conversation, what I'm taking back is everything is connected. Vastu is connected to astrology, is connected to numerology, is connected to acupuncture, is connected to Ayurveda. It's just that everything has been segregated in different forms, but they're all pointing towards your own well-being at the end of the day. So even if you know just basics of every single modality, you can help yourself and the experience that you're going to have in this lifetime. And that's the beauty of all of this. And that's the beauty of you, because all of this knowledge is in this one person that's sitting opposite me. And I truly mean it. I'm not just saying it because you're a friend and you're sitting opposite me on my podcast.
Thank you so much.
And you're like I said, you're like a khazana of knowledge, because you know everything about all of these modalities. So thank you, Aarti,
Thank you so much.
for coming on to Soul Safar with
Thank
Bhav.
you.
Thank you for being so generous and kind and giving with all of your knowledge, because you don't hold back. I know you. When you share your knowledge, you're not holding back. And
Thank you.
thank you so much. Thank you so much for your love, knowledge and time. And thank you for coming on Soul Safar with Bhav.
Thank you, wow. It's really nice to be with you.
This episode was an absolute eye-opener for me and gave me an insight into how every different modality is eventually connected and guiding us towards our own wellness. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Soul Safar with Bhav, because now healing has a face.